12,000 years ago, the global temperature surged by staggering 15 degrees Celsius over the course of several decades. A significant portion of the ice sheets melted, catastrophic floods and tsunamis started. Some areas on Earth became submerged entirely due to the rapid rise in sea levels. After that, however, there was an equally dramatic cooling. Thousands of frozen mammoths and other mammals were found along the northern slopes of Siberia's ravines. Continents experienced mega earthquakes, supervolcano eruptions, and massive fires, as evidenced by layers of ash and rock formations. All these abnormal changes and cataclysms 12,000 years ago led to the mass extinction of megafauna and a sharp reduction in human population, including the disappearance of the Cro-Magnons. Some researchers attributed this catastrophe to meteorite impact. However, the analysis of trace elements in the ash layers at that time showed that the actual cause of the catastrophe was volcanic eruptions.
It has nothing to do with a comet or meteor hitting the Earth, because that would be a random event. This is not a random event.
In November 2023, a study of American and Spanish scientists was released, revealing the discovery of 3 gigantic lava flows on the floor of Mediterranean Sea originating from supervolcano eruptions. The scientists concluded that these 3 catastrophic events occurred in Europe with a cycle of 10 to 15,000 years. The composition of these layers suggests that 12,000 years ago, volcanoes were not merely erupting. Their magma contained rare elements found only in the deep layers of the Earth, near the planet's core. This indicates that the magma originated from deep layers, much like what we observe today. The only plausible explanation for this would be the overheating of the Earth's core. The massive amount of energy required for such magma heating and its ascent from depths could not have appeared out of nowhere. Core overheating can only occur due to receiving additional energy from outside, from external cosmic influence. Therefore, the cataclysms that occurred 12,000 years ago were also the result of external cosmic influence. Another consequence of core overheating, both today and 12,000 years ago, was a weakening of the magnetic field and the drifting of magnetic poles. Note in which time intervals the drift of magnetic poles took place over the last 120,000 years. The interval between them is approximately 12,000 years. It is shocking that at the same time, there were severe earthquakes, sharp rises in world sea level, the strongest volcanic eruptions, and glaciations. Each time during the drift of magnetic poles, the magnetic field of the Earth became 8 to 10 times weaker, and this led to an increase in the flux of cosmic radiation. Modern science cannot explain why the magnetic drifts coincide with dramatic changes and glaciations.